Industrial strength, premium grade steel racking with simple, boltless assembly. Extra support beams supplied for when you have an extra heavy load. Comes as standard with 15mm high-grade chipboard shelves, or you can upgrade to melamine wipe clean shelves, or go the extra mile with corrosion-resistant steel panels. Easy to adjust every 38mm, protective rubber feet included, perfect for any flooring type. Easily join extra bays together by just banging in our steel tie plates. This isn't just any old racking, it's industrial strength, premium grade steel with boltless assembly, BiGDUG racking, available online now.